Hey guys, ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City Reno ATV Wholesale Outlet. So just walking around the showroom. We had a big 4th of July sale. So we're in the process of replenishing our inventory of helmets, ATV, scooters, dirt bikes, go-karts, as you can see. So we're going to head into the service and repair area. We just had a shipment of vehicles arrive, scooters and ATVs. We got the staff in the service area prepping the area for PDI, pre-delivery inspection, assembly. All our scooters are sold with extended warranties, tested, tuned, 1-year engine, 90-day parts, and 30 days free labor that covers anything defective on it. But this is the beginning process. They were in boxes, just like this. We broke it out of the boxes. It does come with a metal frame as well. That needs to be taken off. So nuts and bolts that you have to be unscrewed. We have 2 Titans, the burgundy and a gray. The Tau Evo 50 Titan 49cc scooter. It's still on the base frame right now. We'll step outside for a second. These are the ATVs that just landed. As you can see, they are in a crate with a cardboard box wrapped around it. So this is the way they do arrive, and it does take a process to assemble them. We always recommend, if there's all possible, always purchase your ATVs from a local dealer. It's always the best way to go. These vehicles need to be set up properly, tested, tuned. It is a process. Definitely when it's done too, your warranty is a lot stronger, because your local dealer will definitely push for any warranty issues if there was one. So back inside again. This is the gray Evo 50 Titan. Yeah, we went to Costco and got pizza for the guys. So it's Pizza Friday. Combo and all pepperoni. Got snacks. So everyone's well taken care of here. So you can see the battery is part of the accessory package. That needs to be prepped. Battery right here. Yeah, there's a lot involved in doing it properly. Another day at the shop. Scooter City ATV Wholesale Outlet. 920 Matley Lane, number 6. Number here is 775-856-3398. Come down and check us out. We are open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturday, 11 to 3. Sunday and Monday, we are closed. one of the vehicles we're servicing. So yeah, this is pretty much the 5-10 minute clip of what goes on initially when we do have a delivery. We got our services completed. Now we are in the PDI process, so we got everybody involved in getting more inventory out into the showroom for a busy weekend.
Push down on this one.
All right, you guys, we'll see you soon. Talk to you later.